Hey everyone, today's May 22nd, 2022, and hope all of you are having a great day today. Right now I'm with my cousin Nick, and we're going to Import Face Off in the Rockford Raceway. This is my first big car show of the year. I went to a couple small ones I should have filmed, but this is a big event and there's gonna be a lot of awesome cars here. We drove my cousin's Legacy GT in 1998. He has a version 7 EJ207 STI swapped engine in this. I did a couple of videos on this car before. I'll put them in the description down below. Take a look at those. So at this show today, me and Nick will walk around and there's so many cars here. What I'll do is I'll film all the cars I like the most and I'll put a compilation together to show that, and we'll do a couple pulls in Nick's car on the way back. His car sounds so good and it's been a while since we filmed this. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video today, and let's take a look at these cars at the show. Show right here. It's gonna win all the awards. Beautiful aero. Look at that. Custom, dude. Yeah, custom front lip. Dude, that's fabricated for sure. Dude, that wing. Dude, aftermarket horns. Aftermarket horn. Dude, they call that a shelf wing. Look at that. You get so much downforce with this beautiful wing. The bigger the wing, the more downforce you get. Custom paint job.
Fine piece of automotive machinery right here.
Alright guys, so I forgot to make an outro for the video you guys are watching right now. I am currently editing the video. So I know this video wasn't too exciting. It was just a car show, a big car show with a lot of nice cars there, and I did a small compilation showing the cars I liked the most at this show. So right now for my WRX, I'm waiting for a bunch of mods that are coming in the mail. A bunch of them are on back order, but they will be in soon. A bunch of carbon aero pieces, and I'm finally gonna make some good power with the car. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys thought of this video, and let me know what kind of videos you guys want me to post on this channel. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.